guys, welcome to our channel Creators Coders. Today in this video we'll be discussing about a package of circular avatar which is Circular Profile Avatar. This package allows developers to implement Circular Profile Avatar with border, overlay, initial text and many other awesome features. It can be used as an alternative to Flutter Circular Avatar widget. So let us start. This was our previous code of circular avatar. First, let's add dependency circular profile avatar in pubsec.yaml and pub.get. Now, let's add our widget circular profile avatar. It takes a network image as string parameter. Let's hot restart. So here is our image. Let's add a radius to increase its radius. Let's give it a border width. Border color. Our black border appears. Let's add initial text to it. And show initial text above picture parameter to true. Let's add a foreground color. It hides the picture, so let's give it a opacity. Yeah, it looks good now, but let's try to decrease the opacity. It's good to go now. If we want to add asset image to it, we can give it as a child. It will give child as more preference with accordance to network image. We can also add elevation using this package. And we can give on tab. Let's try printing something. So this was all about our package Circular Profile Avatar. We'll bring more exciting packages for circle avatars for you in upcoming videos. Subscribe our channel Careless Coders and stay tuned. Thank you.